Affiliate marketing insights that can set you apart from the crowd. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable venture for anyone willing to dedicate the time that is required to make a success of it. If you take the advice that is here, you are sure to find that they are going to make it a bit easier to accomplish what you are hoping. After you get your foot in the door with affiliate marketing, you shouldn't rest on your laurels. Begin seeking out new opportunities and expand your horizons. Make another blog or add another domain to your host server and interlink your sites so that your current customers can check out your new venture. It is important as an affiliate that you send your traffic to quality product pages, not to squeeze in pages and other undesirable pages that may turn them off. You can bypass opt-in pages of websites by using link cloaking tools and sending your customers directly to sales letters and landing pages. Your prospective visitors should be able to find your affiliate website easily. Come up with a catchy name people can easily memorize. The name should refer to the products your merchant offers, so your site only attracts prospective customers interested in your merchant's merchandise. Don't use foreign or hard to spell words because they will make it harder to find your site. Set up an affiliate marketing system so that you can have affiliates promoting your videos for you. This is good for everyone because it helps promote your product or service and it helps the affiliates earn money. By delegating the job of watching your videos, you widen your circle of readers and followers. When constructing a headline for any affiliate marketing campaign, you should include the main benefit of the product, along with the product title, in either the headline or within the first paragraph. Get to the point right away so your readers know exactly what they're watching about. If they're interested, you just might earn a commission. Nothing is quite as important in affiliate marketing as correctly identifying your audience. Understanding that there are different niche markets within every niche market will help you to only target those potential customers most likely to purchase a product. This saves you a lot of time and helps you make a lot more money. Building a list of email addresses for potential customers is an important part of any good affiliate marketing strategy. It is not easy, though. Web surfers are very leery of turning over their address. One way to assuage fears is to offer something of value in exchange for email addresses. The reward need not be great, but it should be genuine. If you have done your research and partnered into good affiliate marketing networks, you should take advantage of the marketing managers these networks employ. Your manager is an expert in affiliate marketing, and because you share profits with your partners, your manager has a vested interest in helping you make more sales. Apply the tips and advice that is in this video to your affiliate marketing plan, and you are sure to find that your earnings will increase and your stress will decrease. Make the most out of your venture by making the investment of time in your affiliate marketing business a priority. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, You will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.